Hey friends, if you wish to solve system service exception blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. The code is asmtxhci.sys and I'll tell you the solutions. The first solution is to update the device drivers. So I'll tell you the complete procedure. Okay, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Now you need to check for the media drivers here, all the display drivers. Right click on it and select properties. Go to the drivers tab. First try to update the driver. If it helps, well and good. If not, roll back the driver. If it doesn't roll back the driver, then you can uninstall the device and then close this. Click on action and select scan for hardware changes. And the last one is also that there is something called as the AS Media XHCI drivers in the device manager. Now I don't have them, so I cannot show them. But if you have these, then you can disable them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.